Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. In this one, we're walking through an apartment that is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It only costs $148,000 and it is on Las Palmas. That's why you get these incredible views. Look at this. All throughout the north and east of Medellin. And we're gonna walk back in and take a look at the living space / kitchen. I like the fact that they didn't put an island here. They left it open so that it creates more space. And it gives you the feeling of more space too, just because you can walk through here. You've got the laundry area here where you can put a stackable washer dryer there if you wanted to. You've got a lot of space here to create a living room and then maybe a little office area back where the entrance is at. And this is the first full bathroom because both bedrooms do not have a bathroom, only one of them does. We're gonna go first to the end over here to the master bedroom, big enough to put a king-size bed if you wanted to in there. And here is the bathroom. Again, this one is 64 square meters, which is about 700 square feet. 2-bedroom, 2 full bath. This is the secondary bedroom. If you're a single person or maybe a couple, you could make this into a studio or an office area. Or if you're putting it up on an Airbnb, you're probably making that into a bedroom. But again, every bedroom, every window has an amazing view. Let's talk about what else you get with the apartment. You get a parking spot and you also get a storage unit and you get all of the amenities, which are a pool, a gym, sauna, Turkish bath, kids play area, pet-friendly zones, and of course, 24-hour security. When it comes to the HOA or administration, that's only $73 per month. And property taxes are only about $774 US per year. If you want to put it up on Airbnb, you could do it as short as 30-day rentals. You can't do dailies here. And the average rent for these 2-bedroom, 2 baths in this building are about $1,500 per month. So your cap rate is around 6 to 7%, non-optimized, meaning that you're paying all the expenses plus a 15% property management fee. If you optimize, you're looking at a cap rate of about 7 to 10%. And of course, it all depends at what you buy it at. If you're interested in this one or something like it, all you gotta do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on my team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.